Hey guys,
How are we doing?
back to another episode.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Yeah. So
Episode
53. 53 now, right?
54.
54. Wow.
Yes, 54. This time we will adjust our new website a little bit, but with integration of Unreal Engine 5. Let me really quick share my screen.
Sounds exciting.
I started already because so the quest is this one, okay? And we take a look at our website here. What I don't like is so it is a minimal detail, but it is important for me. So at the moment, this one looks good on the desktop. You see here's the desktop version, right?
Yeah.
But when we open up the mobile version, there's a problem with it. Let me show it to you. So actually, the problem with the mobile version is when we, this is the wrong one. Let us close this one because here we will go later inside. Let's close this one. Next to this, here's the main page. The main page. I think, yeah, right. Then we go and edit this in Elementor. The problem with this page is when we go to the menu, to the mobile version, okay? So it is nearly the same. Can you see my phone here in my hand?
Kind of is going off and on.
Yeah, it's disappearing with the.
But it is only a sample, okay? So it is nearly the same thing what I'm showing you here, okay, in the editor. So when we go into the editor and scroll down to the section here, then we have this nice looking guy here on the right, okay? And I really like this pose of him and with the bow. But the left one, I don't want this one in the picture because I want this guy exactly on this position. But on the left, I don't want this guy here in the picture. I want this guy, okay? So that we switch this guy here on the right with this guy here on the left, okay?
Yeah.
And to do this, we need to take the picture completely from new, okay? So what I'm trying is, because I forget to save the camera position last time, so what I need to do is now finding out the perfect position like you see here in the picture, okay? And for this, we can look at a sample really quick. And where it was developing Unreal Engine, dark ruins, that's saved, that's screenshots, Windows Editor. And we need to check up which one it was. I think it's this one. So we need to recreate this, but switching these two positions, okay? And we can see that the camera is, wait, did I change the camera in any position? Yes, here. So I think what we had on the website is this one, right? We can check this out. 1 second. Let me go to Hero 3. No, this is a background button. And then here's this one. Can I not see which one I use it here?
Because I know you said it in the Discord, but to let everyone listening know, and it's good that you said it because I didn't have to mention it, but it's something that we all have to understand is mobile rules this world currently. I know things look better on desktop, but the way things have gone and with how good mobile devices have gone, there are mini computers and people spend the majority of the time. So where the mobile and the other devices used to be the afterthought, and the desktop was the focus. It's kind of flipped. The mobile has now to be the focus, and unfortunately, the desktop has moved to the afterthought. Just to say.
Yeah.
But that's why we're thinking about mobile so much.
Unfortunately, very true.
Yes. Yes. The data says that, so you can't argue with data.
So I'm trying to find out the position where the camera was. My mistake that I not saved this. So we have this rock here and this rock here. Okay. So I have this rock here, but on the left, this is, you can see this one too. So it is like a little bit like this. And on the ground, you see, so you can't see this, but there is the ground to see when I change the camera position.
Whoa. That is really neat. I didn't notice that at first. That's beautiful.
I gotta say, I absolutely love this new website. I really do.
Yeah, I'm in love with it. You keep finding new tweets.
I need to rework some of the stuff because it is not perfect or not okay. So I get some reviews from family, from friends, that our Bastion site is too complicated, too much effects, too much stuff what happens there. So we definitely need to reduce this. The problem is how Tiva said at the beginning, 5 minutes ago or 2 minutes ago. The problem is not the desktop side. The problem is every time the mobile website. The mobile website, it makes everything difficult.
Yeah, and it's what we're falling in love with is the vision and the layout. It's a story, it's a movie, it's an experience, and it's just like those sculptors chiseling out their creations. You start with this huge block, and then you chisel until you get it to where you want it to be. And then they could do such intricate things in some of those creations, like the David. And it takes, of course, so much time, but it's a work of art. It started with just a one unformed cube of block, and it takes patience and chipping away. So, like we talked about, we kind of wanted you to continue with your creative process before we were like, yeah, maybe cut this, cut that. But it's good that the feedback you're already getting from friends and family is saying that, because I mean, I think it'll only get better if it's reduced even more, right? Because then people can focus on the art even more, and it would be able to load better, and all those things would be optimized. So, only good things will come of it.
Okay, this can't work. My mistake. We used the wrong sensor, so the camera objective. Let me change this really quick. But I mistakenly click on DaVinci Resolve and it opened it. And okay, so we need a size of 2277 to 1060 pixel. 2227, right? Or 72? What was it?
I can't remember myself.
77. And don't worry, we need to adjust the height because we need to put the point here and not here.
Real quick commercial break. Would read one of our comments. What's up, Soul? Good to have you in here watching the stream. Hope your day is going great, your week's going awesome, and everybody else watching.
Who is that? What?
Sorry. Solomon. We have a comment from Solomon.
Okay. Hey, Solomon. Nice to
meet you. Solomon.
Thank you.
Hey.
So, okay, again, 2270. So 22.77 millimeters. is the width, and now to the height. The height is 10.16 millimeters. So we change this one 10.60 millimeters. And this was the camera sensor what I use it. So, and now I think we get a better, and I remember that I put it around, no, I don't put it. This rock wasn't away, yes. So I think what I did is, let me check it again, because we can't really see this one here. Okay, so it was something like here. So from this perspective, yes. So
Well,
now
like it. Yeah.
we'll put this a little bit back. This guy and this guy. Wait, where's your light? Is this your light? I need to check this out again. 1 second.
As always, guys, the feedback thing extends to everybody in the community and the wider audience. We're always grateful to hear feedback from any of you guys out there on anything that we're doing. Please give us a shout. Anything you want to know, anything you're confused about or want to ask about or want to see in the future, or any comments on the things that we're doing right now, then just let us know.
Yes.
For sure, for sure. And we've given you multiple ways to do that, and that's by design. You can hop in our Discord. There's a suggestions channel. You can drop any comments you'd like, or in any of our channels. We'd love to read it. You can, be on the stream and leave comments like Solomon or any of you guys want to, on any of our socials. You can even send Ben hate mail. That's welcome.
Keeps me sharp.
Okay.
What's the saying? Any press is good press, right?
That's right. That's right. Any press is good press. We're just happy that you're sending us mail. Oh no.
I think we got our position right. It was a little bit more like
that looks about right.
But it was higher, I think, on more near now. Like this, but when you take a look here, we need to focus on the rock formation what we have, okay? So which one I use it for this? When I can figure this out, would be easier. So it was definitely not this one because this guy here is floating. I think it is more this one. Or yes, it is this one. Okay, now we can focus on this picture and say where the camera is located. And don't look at the peoples. We need to figure it out from the rocks.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Big mistake that I don't save the camera position.
It twists more to the right. Yeah.
You can see this small thing in the foreground, so
Yeah. So, I see.
not like so.
And then there's a pimple.
A bit further back, I think.
The left side, you can. Okay, we need to go definitely more back. Like this, and then we can put this guy more to the front. So turn around a little bit.
It's missing the pimple now. Oh, I guess you said not to worry about the people, right? That's okay.
What did you mean?
Missing the what? The pimple.
Is this one or not? See in the
Yeah, right above that rock in the other picture, there's like a little pimple, like a
this
rock
one.
above it. If you go up, up. No. Just straight up from that point. Go
From
back
here.
Okay, to the left now. Yeah, that thing right there.
That thing
Yeah.
is here behind him because we
Okay.
changed the position of this guy.
I see.
This is differently.
Okay.
So I said the position of the guy is not important, but I want to recreate this one. So like this, okay? And I think we go a little bit back with him. No. It's like this.
And to anyone who has joined from our recent huge and very exciting announcement about our partnership with Immutable, whoever's joining from seeing those posts on our socials, welcome. Great to see you here. And thank you if you're joining us now on the live stream. But if you're not on this live stream and you're seeing it afterwards, jump into our socials, have a chat with us, talk to us, come find us on Discord. It's great to have you.
Yeah, exactly what Ben said. And for those of you who are curious what Immutable is, they're like the Apple of Web3 gaming, I would say. Pretty well known and established in the space. So the partnership is all good things. So very exciting there, like Ben said, and looking forward to do revolutionary things in the gaming industry. So for anyone new, this is definitely going to be very different than what you're used to in the Web3 space. It's very comfortable. We like stories over here. We're focused on gameplay, as you could tell. So get comfortable. Yeah. Ask us anything you would like and get used to these episodes. Get used to seeing our faces. Nice to meet you guys.
Okay, so why is this? Okay, he lost his light again. I fixes the camera here. No, okay. Now adjust the lighting on the viewport. So
okay.
Yeah, I would say like this. Okay, and now we go back into our camera. So, okay, next step is that we create a green screen for the background because I deleted it too. Sorry.
Okay.
For this, we create a shape. Change this to green material. I think I use it. This one? Yeah, this one is good. And then we will size this up. And put it as far as possible because we don't want the reflection of the green color on our materials. So we can make it bigger. Check the camera. Okay. You can see we need a little bit more excess, but we put it a little bit more back. No. Cover all of this. Yeah, like this. Okay, so now we have a green screen in the background. I think we are ready to the next shot.
So simple, but so clever.
Yeah.
It's great that even half the website's made on Unreal Engine as well as the game.
Yeah,
fantastic.
everything, every artwork, everything is created on Unreal Engine on our website.
Cool. Very cool.
That's so
I'm
nice.
a little bit scared that the lighting is too much on these guys. But I also wanted a light in the foreground, so let me hop off from here. Put our camera again. pin it. Grabs the light. The thing is, I'm not creating my own light. I use the light from this asset package because the lighting is, in my opinion, really good.
Okay.
It's important that we simulate like a moonlight or.
Yeah, it's a pretty dark scene, isn't it?
Change the radius for this. Yeah, like this. Yeah, let's make it like this. I think this is fine enough. Yeah, now it is good.
Spooky.
Looks good to me. I'd say
So the question is, are we happy with the water?
Yeah.
No, we are not.
No, are we not?
We're not. Why not? Because we want that. You know what? Nobody will see this because we are happy with it.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Okay, so now we are ready for a shot. Okay, we will make a really nice shot. Save it before we make the shot because the shot will cost us many performance. I will not do it on the. I know when people watch it who have knowledge about Unreal Engine, they will say maybe, what happened to this light again? What happened to your light? Why is the light is changing position?
It's to create a mood.
Oh no,
Setting
let me check this out. Not that we key this light. Yeah, we key this light. This is a problem. Why it jumps back again every time. Mistakenly keyed the light. My mistake.
Okay.
So, okay, no, like this. Okay, what we want to do is we want to make, so for everyone who is watching and has knowledge with Unreal Engine will say, hey, what is this guy doing? Let me check if we key the other lights before we make it. No. These are not all lights. Why are these lights inside our scene? It's completely wrong. Okay, we don't need them inside our scene because we don't animate it. So the thing is, why I'm doing the shot not like that I render it and on the classic way, okay? I will not do it on this way. So normally when you, come on. Okay, this was the last time that I need to change it. So let me explain. So what we do is we will take now our shot, okay? But the shot it is not important that we render it on the classic way. So what I'm talking with the classic way is that you maybe install the plugin Movie Render Queue or render directly into the scene and then render frame by frame and then use one frame of it because it is perfectly rendered. No, what we do is we make a high resolution screenshot to save time, because when we for every shot to start to render it, this will cost us more time. So, but what happened now is we will need performance, and this is the thing is, so normally I close everything in the background to save every RAM, but I think it will work in this way too. So we will change now everything. First of all, we will change the quality of everything to cinematic. And you see it goes slower, everything.
Yeah.
Then we will change the material quality to epic.
Cool.
Last but not least, we will change the screen percentage from 85 to 200. This means we have a really detailed picture then at the end. I hope we don't crash now. Yes, okay. So now It is. Wait. We did a big mistake.
Oh no.
Well,
I need to change everything back so we can. Let me put this again to 85. So material quality too high. So I think with cinematic we can work without it crashed. So the next thing is what we need to do is we need to find our camera again, because I forget to set up the focus.
Yeah.
Come on, yes. So.
And where are you going to focus? Background or foreground?
No, to this guy here in the foreground.
Right at the front. Okay.
So because this on the mobile version, you will see this guy in the back foreground too. So now we go down. Going on. So what we do now?
There's stop motion going on there.
Yeah. We go to focus settings, draw or debug, then use this pipette. Oh, it is already not 100% correct, but in the correct way. So, and then focus on this guy. So let us change this to, what was it? 100, 200, 300. Okay, 450. Too much. 420. Too much. 400. Okay, 380. No, 350. Okay, we are near, close to this. 340. Too much. 345. Yes, 347. Yeah, I can live with this. So now we are focused on this guy in the foreground, and now we need to go back. Let us save before we go back to all our settings. Let's open this up. Okay, so I think it will crash.
Fingers crossed.
Epic. It is cinematic. So last thing, change this to 200%. Okay.
Hey, no crash.
Wait. Don't celebrate for the night. What was it? Okay, so you see all the clicks go. So the screen percentage is 200. It is on cinematic. The material quality is on epic. And now it's time for a high resolution screenshot. Come on, open up. And what we will do here is we will size the multiplier to 2. So double the quality again. Yeah, full maximum. This is how I take my screenshots for our website, guys. And then
only the best.
Capture this. Come on, don't crash, please. Don't crash. Yeah, this is how I sit here and then hope that it don't crash.
I hope you guys watching have all got your fingers crossed as well. Help us out.
Yeah, new workstation would be nice.
We'll get there, buddy.
Did I click on capture or not?
I don't know.
I think I don't want to click again because so when we get here our information that the screenshot is captured, then I'm happy. But I think we crashed.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
And you know what is the problem that it crashed?
You didn't save it.
The water. I never take a picture with the water. So I never make a screenshot like this one with the ocean.
Okay.
So 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, we get it. We have our screenshot, guys.
Oh, amazing.
So, and really fast, close this, put everything back to minimum so that my PC can calm down. Yeah, on high. Let us put the screen percentage back to 100. And yeah, now everything is faster. I think the material quality will change automatically too. Yeah, it is on high. Perfect. So now we have our screenshot, okay? Let us check our screenshot. 5. Here's our screenshot. You can see it.
Nice. Okay.
So next step is we need to remove the background. For this, we go to Canva. And
does Canva do auto green screen?
yeah. But
amazing.
yeah, I mean, let me show how.
I love Canva. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, not perfect. It's okay, but it's
cool.
perfect.
I'd suggest to anybody starting a business the most bang for your buck.
Yeah, it's a fantastic platform.
Okay, it needs to be uploaded, and now it is ready. And now we go into create design. So we can close all of this what I'm working at the moment. And now we have it perfectly into this one. Okay, and now we go to Bearbeiten. It's German, sorry. And then background remover. So he will automatically detect the background, and you see it worked perfectly.
Okay.
Amazing. Amazing. Oh.
Here we can adjust this small things.
Ooh.
Small shadows.
Ooh.
But the most important thing is, okay, it's a green. It is not.
It's not going to be noticeable.
Yeah. I have bad pictures. More bad pictures. Okay, so now we have our picture ready with our background. You can see this. It fits perfectly inside here. So what we do now is we download it again. This time it's not as JPEG. We can't download it as JPEG. And we will let the quality on 1. So it is the same size, but with the transparent background, and then download it.
Because you're gonna overlay that, right?
Yeah, I will show it in a second to you. So let me go into my folder where I put Bastion website.
That movement between the layers on the website is great. You've got that sort of slow bounce you've got between the layers. Almost, it's almost like parallax.
Wait, not Bastion. Bastion. Heh. Website. Stories. Where's my folder with the main pictures? Where did I put them? Inside. Okay, let me check. Okay, 1 second. So we go back to the desktop version. Then we say upload files. Let us see where we upload the files. Nowhere. Perfect. This is perfect. Then let me know what the file name is. So when
can you find some edits and go find file location or open file in location?
Yeah, I'm on this product one. And And come on. Yeah, he's searching now my extern HDD.
Okay. For anyone new as well who's just joined the community.
Okay, I see the mistake because if you're typing mistake, see? No, I found it directly. I write it wrong. Here. They are all in. What is the Bastion website? My picture's transparent, guys, in transparent.
I can see right through you.
So wait, what we did is okay. We wanted to save it first. Website, minor builder, and then transparent, and then here we have all of these ones. So Vordergrund 15. We change this to 16. Save it. And we want to check this. Oh, okay, you see the screens, but I think this is the problem with the reflection of the shields. But it is okay. I think it is okay. Not the reason to take the picture again. So we will change this now. Upload file. Then
if you bring it into Canva, can you not select hue and reduce the saturation of certain hues like you can in Photoshop?
Yeah. But it is easier to go into Unreal Engine and then put the light in this angle that it don't reflect the background. Also, I think I miss it to say, oh, whoa. So, okay. Whew, this was not really good. So, and I think I missed it to click here on that it affects not lighting the background. Necessarily, not everything fine. Everything fine. But you see what Canva did? It automatically removes the water, the ocean.
It's good. Canva's amazing. It's so good.
But when you want to make it more professional, you definitely. So let us check this really quick, okay? This is the old picture. You see how dark it is in the foreground?
Yes.
And this is a new picture, okay? So what I will do is I will publish it now. And this will change when I reload. And then we scroll down. Now you see this. But you see that they are. This guy needs. Okay, we you know what? We will take the picture again. This time we will bring this guy more up. Okay, like this.
Yes.
And also we will change the background thing. Light. Cast shadow, no. Effect what? Effect dynamic what? Indirect lighting, no. Effect distant field lighting, no. Okay. So, and the next thing is what I want to do is, before we capture the picture again, is move out from our camera. First, save everything.
Yeah.
I'm sure that I saw you posted on our Twitter about the tournament, right? Just recently.
You mean the announcement about the tournament on Twitter?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Announced on Twitter and Discord and Telegram.
Yeah. So I just wanted to say quickly, anyone who's just joining us now, or who has just come into following us on Twitter, or found our Discord, if you're interested, go and sign up for our tournament. We've got over $1,000 worth of prizes, and it's not just monetary. There's some really exciting other stuff as well. Some from our partner projects, which no one in the space will have, and they will be very, very sought after. So if you're interested in getting your hands on something that no one else will have and will be extremely valuable in the future, please go sign up to our tournament, because it'll be fun. It's in the middle of July, so it's coming up pretty soon, a couple of weeks' time, and we've got a 10-day tournament running. But anyone who wants to be involved, you get to play our game and be a part of the community and probably get some bragging rights at the end of it. So yeah, come join up, have some fun, and get involved.
Yes. I want to see who is the best at Bastion. You had some time to practice. So like Ben said, the tournament is July 14th to the 24th. 10 days of fun. Last day would be going over the prizes, rewards, and all of that jazz. But if you're here and you're hearing this message, you're getting a head start. You should start practicing Bastion, because like Ben said, you have a chance to win some things that you can't get anywhere else, and some money that you can't get places else's. But the other things you can't get other places. So definitely come to the tournament, come prepared, and bring your friends that are gamers too.
That's it.
Sorry, Mustafa, were you saying something? Me and Ben were yapping.
I'm working.
Okay. No problem. Back in the bubble.
So this one is too okay. Yeah, we changed this one in a higher position. Okay, I think we are ready to take the picture again.
Okay. Like a Polaroid.
Okay.
Moment of truth. Come on.
Everything back to cinematic.
Yeah.
To epic. Mostly here happens that it crashed when I click on epic.
It's too epic.
And then screen percentage to 200.
Wow.
Okay. No.
It's those little pauses that it does. You just kind of hold your breath, don't you?
We don't know. Is it this time?
There's a resolution screenshot and multiply it 2. And now we capture it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, guys. Now we can only wait. No, it is in God's hand.
Yeah. Everyone fingers crossed again.
Everything what we can do now is only praying. So, is there other phrases from Dr. House shows?
Dr. Howe.
Yeah, you know this when not only Dr. House, each hospital.
When he says, "We've done all we can do, gentlemen."
We make it too many jokes.
It crashed, and then
GPU crashed or this. Yeah, okay, it can happen. The good thing is I saved everything, so we will directly reopen it.
Good man.
Yeah, it didn't like the house joke.
But let me check something. We get our screenshot? No, we don't get our screenshot. Yeah, send and restart, please.
The computer just didn't like our humor, so it's a step too far, guys.
Yeah.
Just leave me alone.
No, it was like, okay.
Oh dear.
Well, I'll take this moment to do some things that we like to do, which is free advertising to random things that we enjoy. Mustafa hasn't done it in a while, but he used to be doing advertising for Unreal Engine, just for fun though. But I would say I wanted to tell you guys about this game called The Hive. It's a fun game. It's like a card game, but it's if you look it up on board game reviews, you see that I think it's rated like 8.0, which is really good. I think Settlers of Catan only like 7.7.
Wow.
Yeah, Ticket to Ride's like 7.3. So it's a pretty good game. I was
Okay.
skeptical.
It must be.
Yeah, I tried it. And I never review games like this. So if I'm saying it, then I think it's something to check out. But yeah, The Hive. I'm always looking for good card games and good games in general. So I'm always sharing it with people in the audience. Check it out, guys.
Yeah.
I was thinking
look
that
at
we
that.
lost our camera position.
Sorry, what was that, Mustafa?
I was first thinking that we lost our camera position.
Oh,
We lost it because there's a
Yes.
huge building in front of us. You see?
oh, okay. So your heart dropped for a second.
Okay, again. So I think everything is set it up. So like the focus. Guys,
There-
also I want to remember you that we have now our game on Steam, so that you can wishlist it on Steam.
Oh, yeah.
Just still,
Don't
I was just
forget.
about to say that. That's crazy. Nice, yeah. It's on Steam.
Just don't forget this.
I was gonna say that we have so many announcements in this one, DevMA actually, and then yeah, you came up with the Steam. So after this, guys, if you go to our Twitter or even our Discord, you can get the link to our Steam. Or if you just search up in any Steam search, I've tried it. Search up Bastion, or if you search up Bastion Gauntlet, then we're gonna pop up right there. So click it, read the beautiful story about Bastion, some details.
Or
that you
visit
have.
our website and you have it on every corner.
There you go. Or even the website. So everywhere you go, Hot Knife or Bastion related, you're going to see the link to Steam. So please wishlist, guys, and share it to other people who like Steam games and tell them to wishlist because it's going to blow your mind, the next version.
Yeah. We're on 0.1 at the minute. 0.2 is going to be a whole new level.
Is it 0.2 coming out, Mustafa, or is it 1?
No, it's 0.2.
0.2 coming out? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
We're not,
yeah,
we're not quite at one yet.
when we get our new workstation, hopefully.
Okay. Okay. That's good to know then. I know we're not all familiar with game notation, so I think we've been saying I've been saying some different things, but now we're all attuned. So we had 0.1 before, we're going to have 0.2 on Steam. Nice.
Yeah. I'm excited for 0.2. My God, 0.1 is good enough. It's amazing, but you know, I'm itching. I'm itching for 0.2.
Yeah. Yeah, and we already have, we have lots of feedback in our Bastion feedback forum, and lots of plays already. So it's only going to get better and better from here.
Okay, we got our screenshot.
Hey, that was quick.
No, I did it without telling anything because I don't know. Maybe it works better when we make it not a big thing about it, and Unreal or my PC don't think that he's in the focus of everything.
Do you think it was the Unreal Engine gods listening to us?
Yeah, no, it's my PC. He gets nervous. He gets nervous. Okay, we do the same thing again.
Right.
So this time we will upload our new screenshot. Here's this one, and you will see the.
We have about 10 minutes. 10 minutes until the hour.
Everything fine.
10 minutes. 10 minutes to rebuild the entire website, Mustafa. Go.
Why are we limited to 1 hour?
Yeah, that's it. You only get 1 hour. got 10 minutes left to rebuild the website.
Okay. Okay, we see here now again. You go. Oh, what happened? Delete this. Let's see. We have again the screen thing. It's okay.
I think that's only when you zoom in really heavily, though, right?
Yeah. It's not extreme like here, I think. Here a little bit. You see here? That's a corner.
Yeah.
Not extreme like here. Here's completely green. You see this half is completely green here.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah. Okay. This one is ready too. Page 2. We need page 2. Download PNG background transparent. Actual page download. And this time this guy is much higher. This means so and what I want
17.
Yeah, this is my 17th shot of this thing. And now it's time to test it out. Here. 17. Okay, let us publish it and check out how it looks. Reload. First page.
See how much further up that guy is.
It's not high enough.
What are you trying to get in the image, Mustafa? You want his full bow in the image or something?
Okay. Wait. My mistake. Wait. We go into the incognito tab. And now we check it out again. Yeah, it fits. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so notice the important part. Mobile version. You can see that we have this guy now here and this one here, but what we want is custom position and then position it. Wait, completely like this. And then publish it. So this is then the mobile version. Okay, mobile, we need to cut this out. So now we will check it on the phone for safety. You can check it on your phone too. Okay, so what we can do is a little bit
right now.
A little bit more like this. Publish. And check it out again. Yes, this is the perfect thing that I wanted. I don't know if you can see, but now we have the correct position. And the cool thing is they are more like, did anybody check it?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Looking good, right?
It's looking great.
Okay, and this was,
It's nice.
look, we spent now 1 hour only to replace this one picture because I was not happy that we have, let me show it to you here, that we have not this boost guys in the mobile version, that we have this boost guys on the mobile version. And the places was changed, so this guy stands here and this guy stands here. So what we did is we re-edit the picture and capture it again and now replace it. So But also, I was planning to do more than this, but let me save this really quick and close this so that we, oops, it's Discord. So we go back into our page. So at the moment, when you go into stories, there happen nothing. About us, we have this nice picture, this page. I don't know if you ever see it on the desktop.
Not on desktop. I've seen it on mobile.
Yeah, on desktop it looks much better. So on mobile it looks good, but on desktop it looks much better. Here, this is only a one-pager. When you go to About Us, you will find out who we are. But there's another thing, and I'm thinking about how to fix it. In the mobile version, our titles are not there. You have only the names. I'm not sure is it how important it is, but yeah. And here you have this nice transition between when you change the pictures. This one looks like a movie. Just say so, like this is a template. Okay, hey, use this template, and we notice when you go to the store and you buy a frame.
Yeah.
And in the frame is a ready picture, what is taken by professional photographs.
But yeah, it sounds interesting. Oh,
so yeah. Also, shout out to our advisors, guys. I already waiting for your message back, and I think our CEO will hang on this, right?
Yeah, we need Mike's. Need Mike's picture.
Mike, was this was a Canon venture?
And them too, and Jawed.
Yeah,
all of them.
We've got pictures for Jawed.
I think, yeah, Ben, you will handle this later after the stream is. Okay. Yeah. Now we come look at this. You also see this green point here a little bit. And here a little bit. But this is not, this is only something what insiders see. And you see why I am using the incognito tab is here you can't see his hand, right? Because we have, when I'm going from my own browser inside, you have this green bar at the top. So it will put the whole picture down. When you go into the incognito tab and then scroll down, see that you can see his hand. And this is exactly what I wanted. And you don't have this green thing here at the top. So, but note to the next thing before I forget that, and this is the last thing that we do in this episode is, I mentioned, hey, when you click on stories, there happen nothing. On About Us, you get into our About Us section. In Bastion, you get into our Bastion section. So, but this section will be also reworked still to this point here. And after this, I will rework everything because on mobile it is really, not really good to use. And I only wanted to mention here, when you go into the site, don't forget to click on the Chronicles, because here you get deep insight about what is our game about, okay, in detail. So how it will be to play it, how it is the story behind everything. So when you are in this section, don't forget to click on the Chronicles. Or I said I will rework this page, and when I rework this page, I will make this more findable, and then you will find this nice document with 19 pages, and in this 19 pages you have really, really much details inside how a game is built, what is the story, how the combat works, how the world around works, everything. And this is so.
And for anyone, sorry, Mustafa.
Yeah.
I was just thinking for anyone who wants the TLDR, that is the TLDR.
Yeah, we call it the Chronicles.
That comes from about 200 pages worth of documentation, so that is the TLDR. So read that, because it's awesome, and there is so much history and lore behind this game.
Yeah. I don't know, what do you think about this background picture here?
I think it's great. You instantly focus on the logo. Cool. Very cool.
No, yeah, I this is the cool thing. You build the website and you capture the pictures. So when you have Unreal Engine 2, you can capture the pictures in the right position how you want it. So you see how we captured the picture before. So T, what do you think?
Yeah, so I've realized something. You hear noise in my mic?
Yes.
Okay. So the people who cut my lawn, I think they're scheduled exactly when the DevMA is every week. So that's why there's this issue. But we'll try to talk over it a little bit. I think the website looks amazing. It is one of the best websites I've ever seen. It's really, really good. I think we're just holding up to fully digest it because you're still working on it, moving things around. But it's beautiful. I don't think we have to tell you that. It's beautiful. I think anyone who looks at it is going to be in awe.
No, I only wanted to say I'm planning to change this picture.
But this picture, I don't think, like Ben said, I don't think the picture is bad. I like it. But if you want to change it, that's okay too, because we'll use the picture in media and social media, what have you. I think it looks good though.
Yeah, me too. I don't.
Yeah, I think I overwork it with this skull in his hand. I don't know why I put it inside, but I was thinking like, hey, it will look cool. But why he have a skull on his head, on his hand, and show it to this guy? Hey, look, I have a skull. I mean, when this would be a fresh head, what he cut it, then I would understand it. But this is a skull. So like, hey, here I have a skull from your ancestors. It makes no sense. So necessary, but let me do the last thing here now. We go into our menu, okay? Into our menu screen, because I want to start to put this. It is not ready, guys. It's the stories section, okay? So we will put this one inside stories. Is it correct when I write it like this? Or yes, stories. And then save the menu. And then let us check what happened. Is it saved? Yeah. Reload it. And then, yeah, it works. So, but I wanted to show this to you into the incognito tab again, because then we don't have this. Also, let us go into the full screen, okay?
Yeah.
1 second. I get every time emotional when I start to refresh my website.
It's a common problem. It's common.
It's my allergy. Okay, so guys, what I did is I connected a new page, the stories page. Let me first say what is my plan for the future. For the future is I will rework the foreground of this one too, because this is too dark. You can't really see that here's a stone place thing, okay? And the background is okay, I think, but the foreground I need a new one, something that is more brightened, more with light. So we changed this one, and I'm not happy with this, especially on the mobile version. Here's this one I will change too. I will try to capture this picture again, but this time I will make it more lightened because this is too dark, really too dark. Especially on the mobile version, it goes too complicated. So I am thinking to replace the background with something what is more without somebody in the background, like here, you see, but is more like a background. And maybe don't use this guy, because we use this guy also here in the Bastion section. And planning to make, yeah, okay. So, but what we do now is we go into the new stories part. And this is the new page, okay? This is what I completely created with HTML and JavaScript. You see, we are now on the website, on the new page, and it seems like we have a glitch and everything, right?
Yeah, I like this a lot. I've been on this on mobile. It's great.
Yeah, on mobile it works well too. Yeah, I only need to adjust some small things, and the website is not done. So the stories section is not done. in the story section, you will find later all our comics, all our stories. So the origin story, the stories of how did we call this, Tira? The stories like not add-ons. Not. What is it? How we call it when the Star Wars has main movies and then all of the stuff around.
I'm not sure of the name. I'm not sure.
Not sequel, prequel, but it is like add-ons. Okay, so stories behind, stories around. Okay, so we will have many stories here because we are focused on stories. Our game is focused on stories. All of the things that we create here are based on stories. Everything started with a book, and now we are here and trying to bring this to a game. Okay, when you come to this page first, you will have this blurred background with this order, what say, scroll down. So also when you notice, when you come to the website first, it will slowly come up. So it was a really hard coding stuff to get all of this together that it don't crash. So and when you scroll then down, the letters slowly comes out, a kingdom built on lies. And then you see how the red letters every time come into the scene. And for everyone who is looking for Easter eggs, maybe you will find one here. So, and then you scroll down and the letters goes away and the picture goes again blur. But now you have all our comics here. Right. Okay, yeah. And you scroll down and all of them goes to the side. And here you have the main thing. And yeah, I think this one is a really nice screenshot or not.
Yeah, that's great.
And yeah, here I need to adjust some stuff. When you can see here's a picture and here is written Bastion Gauntlet of the Chosen, but this was only a placeholder and it's really small. I will replace this so it was something different, or maybe it was nothing. And so my plan is here, when you click this explore button, it's only copy pasting a placeholder. When you click on this one, you will come back to the Bastion page at the moment. But my plan is when you click here, you will come to a whole drive folder with all our comics where you can download them all so that we don't lose the performance of our website. But you can see here on the sides all of our comics that we ever revealed or released. Okay, 6. And then when we scroll down, here's other section starts with the origin story, with all of the other stories. Also, I need to change the Slotify thing. Scroll here in white. So, I mean, black is okay too. Necessary. So yeah, now you can enjoy and test this. This button don't work. I will remove this.
Mustafa, so where is the blog gonna be?
Yeah, how I said, it is work in progress. It will come after this.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and yeah, I think with this we can complete this episode.
Sounds good. That site is absolutely beautiful. Just like what Tira said, it's stunning. It really is.
I hope the internet connection was fast enough because I get here some. Okay, necessary. I hope everybody can enjoy this what we show it, and it was without lags. It was a little insight, or I would say behind the scenes, how we create everything, how we create our website, how we create screenshots or artworks for our website or for everything else. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. And is this week 3?
Week 3?
I think this is week 3, right?
Of
Smoke-free Mustafa.
Ah, well done. Amazing, man.
Okay, guys. Again, thanks for watching. From my side, this is everything. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching our new episode. When you have questions, when you have suggestions, when you have critique or anything else, you know how you contact us. You can contact us. You can contact us from the different platforms. But we are every time open for critics because we don't care. But yeah. You know what? Wait, before I forget, I listened to a game art designer or somebody who creates games, okay, and he's really a big number in the game scene, gaming, creating developer scene. So, and when I say his name, you will directly know who it is. And he said, when everybody likes your work, then you did something wrong. And with these words, I will, close this. You know who said this?
No.
Hideo Kojima.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah. I don't know if you see this new Death Stranding game from him, Death Stranding 2.
I haven't looked at it yet. I've heard about it. And I want to check it out.
Yeah, but you have people who don't like this, and then you have people like me who love this.
Yeah, no, there's no game that's going to be for everyone. It's just how it works. You can never please anyone, and there's no good trying.
Okay. Anything else to say, guys?
No, all good. That's awesome episode. Love the website, and I want to see more.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Then from my side, good night.
All right.
Yeah. Pleasure as always. And speak to you next week, guys.
Yep. Good night, everybody. See you next week.
Oh, okay. Oh, this was one. I was thinking. Yeah, see you next week, guys.
Short and sweet.